It is a case that created nationwide outrage. Today, a court in Pathankot in India has convicted 6 men for the murder, torture and gang rape of an 8-year-old nomadic girl from Kathua in Jammu and Kashmir last year. Those convicted by the special court include former government officer Sanjay Ram, who is believed to be the mastermind. 3 policemen are also among the 7 who have been found guilty in the Kathua minor rape case. The 7th accused, reportedly a juvenile, has been let off. Vishal Jangotra has been found not guilty by the court. Those convicted may face a minimum sentence of life imprisonment and a maximum of death penalty. Besides Sanjay Ram, the others arrested in the case were his son Vishal, a nephew whose age is being disputed, his friend Anand Datta and 2 special police officers identified as Deepak Khajuria and Surinder Verma. The policemen accused of destroying evidence are Head Constable Tilak Raj and Sub-Inspector Anand Datta. The young 8-year-old girl from a nomadic community was abducted, drugged and brutally gang raped for days and murdered in the most brutal manner possible by the 8 accused. Her body was discovered a week later in a village almost a kilometer away from her residence. After mass protests and outrage across the nation, the accused were arrested, the case transferred out of Jammu. Political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir have started reacting now to that judgment that's been delivered. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah has tweeted saying that the guilty deserve the most severe punishment. Omar Abdullah also slammed the political parties for obstructing the judicial process. He said, and I'm quoting, "And to those politicians who defended the accused, vilified the victim and threatened the legal system, no words of condemnation are enough." PDP leader Mehbooba Mufti has also tweeted out welcoming the court's judgment. She said, and I'm quoting, "High time we stop playing politics over a heinous crime where an 8-year-old child was drugged, raped repeatedly and then bludgeoned to death." Critics have expressed deep concern over the continuing violence in West Bengal. The centre has issued an advisory now to the state government in this regard. The governor of the state, Keshri Nath Tripathi, has also submitted a 48-page long report to the Home Ministry. The West Bengal governor, Keshri Nath, met the Prime Minister in the wake of the Basirat clash that killed 5 BJP TMC workers. Subsequently, he had a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. Just yesterday, the Ministry of Home Affairs had issued a statement which read, and I'm quoting, "The unabated violence over the past few weeks appears to be a failure on part of the law enforcement machinery of the state to maintain the rule of law. The advisory strongly advised that all necessary measures should be taken to ensure that the law is upheld and that peace and security are maintained." The advisory also requests for strict action against officials found defaulting in the discharge of their duties. The latest reports indicate that 5 BJP and TMC workers were killed on the 8th of June in the post-poll clashes in the state's North 24 Parganas district. West Bengal has been marred by clashes between the BJP and the TMC workers during the recently concluded elections. A string of incidents of poll violence were reported.